In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in CapCut easily. I will give you a step-by-step tutorial. So this is a clip and I just want to remove the background completely, right? So to do that, you have to select the clip here and then you have to go to remove BAG. It means remove background. Then here you will find this auto removal. So just click on it and just wait for till it processing till 100%. The speed is pretty fine and here you can see that the background has been removed. Now when I play the video you can see the background is pretty much removed, right? And here if I just take a new clip and click and hold and put it below this original clip here, you can see the background is completely removed, right? Let me show you and play it out. So this is how you can remove a background of a video very easily in just CapCut. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.